What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Trombone VQ here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to diagnose your G35, 350Z, G25, G37. How to diagnose your check engine light. What is causing the check engine light. As some of you guys may know that the Nissan cars actually come with a self-diagnose system, so it makes it a hell of a lot easier for you guys to figure out what engine code you have at home without any diagnosing tools. All you need to do is just follow a couple of simple steps, and yeah, alright, let's begin. Here is all the steps you need to be able to get to the stage where your engine light is flashing and then counting the engine code. But yeah, feel free to screenshot or pause the video so you can follow these steps, but I'm just gonna go through it anyway. So you need to turn on the ignition, but make sure you don't start up the car, just on the ignition. Alright, so just like that, on the ignition. Wait for 3 seconds and push gas all the way to the floor and release 5 times within 5 seconds. So with the gas pedal, you want to go all the way to the floor and out, to the floor and out for 5 times within 5 seconds. And then you want to wait for 7 seconds, and then you push the gas pedal all the way to the floor and hold for 10 seconds. So if you guys not good at counting the seconds and stuff, just get a stopwatch or something. And yeah, so what you do is you push the gas pedal all the way to the bottom, hold it for 10 seconds, and then after the check engine light flash, you just release the pedal. So with the check engine light, when they're flashing, they flash 1 time, it means 1. Flash 5 times means 5. When they're flashing, after they're flashing, they'll have a pause in between each number. And if you get 10 flashes, that's just 0. That just means 0, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna do mine because I've got a check engine light. It could be O2 sensor, it could be something else. I have no idea. Alright, on. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. That's a 0. 2, 3, 0, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1, 0. So yeah, I've got a P0306, which is the number 6 cylinder misfire detected. So yeah, that is what's causing my engine light to come on. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. I hope this video helps you guys out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.